All right. Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. All right, all right. Okay, do we all have to accept the mission first? Let's go. Accept. No, that's not the missions. Accept the mission. We go. Where is it? Uh, what in the world? Wait, wait. What are we? What are we? What are we doing? What's it called? What's the mission called? Michael, what's the mission called?
Head to DS9 as soon as you're able.
Okay. I can get some ketchup cell white. That's what I need. Okay. I accept the mission. E. All right. You ready? You guys ready? uh, so we just go over there. Wait. Yeah. We're gonna have to turn. Michael, this goes backwards. This is complete. Us. Oh yeah, you just beat us. Go down. Ugh. Yeah, that's the missions that we're doing, right? Right. Yeah, storm class. All right, gonna beat you there, kids. See you later, kids. I don't see Michael. Where's Michael? He's right there. Huh. Oh, what's my warp speed? I'm 12.34, Michael. What about the new warp card that I gave you?
Jimmy, which number are you
You're in, Richie. You're in it. I see you.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, see? Just click that little... Yeah. Alright. Such a noob. Nub. Michael, go warp. Go transwarp. See if you can catch up. If you can... Dude. Are you doing trans? Okay. Oh, I just see like this little blue circle here. Very interesting. Ah, you are catching up. Oh, whoopsies! I activated it, and goodbye. I'm such a... Okay. Alright. Getting close to our destination. Yeah. Whoa. Almost. Okay, that was a little bit of lag there. I'm really hoping that the frames per second stay here. Yeah. Alright. No. No. Hi. Alright. This is gonna be good, ain't it? Alright. Where's this? Where's the station? Ah, I see it. Just ram yourself into the station, why don't you? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's press E. I'll just press it at the same time. I really hope this is like a... Yeah. 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 This way.
Please, we're low on fuel and supplies. We need help badly.
Okay. We'll help you.
Tell the ambassador that any Jem'Hadar aggression will be met with deadly force.
Okay. I guess we're going slowly towards... Oh my. I can't go full impulse.
This is Station Control. Welcome to Deep Space Nine. Your docking clearance has been authorized. Several of our docking facilities were damaged in the recent conflict. Please proceed to the provided coordinates.
Oh, it says beam over.
Also, Captain Nog is waiting.
Okay, whatever. Let's go.
Wait, I don't like this.
I don't think you can do anything about that. I'm sorry, Richie. I hope this video isn't like way too loud for you guys, but you can turn it down. If it's too quiet, then you can't really do much about it. But whatever. I'm still loading.
Me too.
Ah, there we go. And
I got. Okay, here I come. It's so dark in here. What?
oh my goodness, it's dark on Richie's screen.
What?
Oh my goodness, I
Wait,
love
look
this
at my
new.
screen.
It's much more accurate. Can I walk? Can I walk upstairs?
Turn off the lights.
I'm gonna go where.
Why is it so dark for?
Look, this is the right. This is the spot, right? I'm upstairs.
Whatever. Let's just get over this. Let's just get this over.
Admiral Quinn's office is behind those doors.
I'm just gonna follow you. Okay. Quinn? Wait, what?
Why is he in?
Why is he here?
Yeah, why is he here? Admiral.
Speak with Captain Nine.
Because he's.
Ambassador Odo is here, coordinating security efforts.
It's dark in here. I can't see.
What is Wei Yun doing here? He's looking at me like. You know what the Wei Yuns look like? They look like those. What are those animals?
Wow, everybody skipped something. Let him talk.
I let him talk.
Alright, where
The Great Encircle.
I don't even see the. It's so dark. I can't see. My map is so tiny.
This is where Admiral Quinn is.
Where are you?
See? I'm in Admiral Quinn. I'm by Admiral Quinn's right now. Because this person's having stomach pain. Alright.
These people are.
The results of this summit could have long-lasting effects. A number of our allies, particularly the Klingons, consider the Herc to be a Dominion problem. The Federation sees this as a chance to improve relations with the Dominion. Having allies in the Gamma Quadrant instead of enemies would be a great step toward galactic peace.
That's good. This guy has a tail. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Yeah. What level are you at?
65. So much taller than
I think I'm taller than Michael. Let me see. How much taller is Michael to me? We're like almost nah. You like put out your chest like really high and really thin. You really got the V thing going. It's kinda disturbing. I have a normal body shape.
Hello.
No, you aren't. You're actually more noble. Richie's a handsome. His character's a handsome person. Hi, Jemadar.
Oh, look at this guy.
Oh yeah, the Klingon restaurant. Yes. Can I go into the Klingon restaurant? How do you get into the Klingon restaurant?
Why is you so dark? I don't know. Can you lighten up? Wait, go. Okay, go.
Guess you can. But he like plays the accordion. Michael.
Go to display. Up there. Oh, wait.
Michael. Could you Michael?
No.
Wait, let me see some settings. Options.
I'm looking right. Right there. Oh.
Audio.
I don't know. That's not much. Just try it. See.
FX volume. Let's just raise that a little bit. There.
It's a little better, but still. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong.
All right, Michael. Could you turn your thing down? I'm picking it up from over here. Yours. That. What I'm hearing. Is that Richie's? Richie, turn yours down.
It looks so bad. It looks so bad. It's so white. It's so weird.
Don't you remember him?
No.
He's the Klingon restaurant. The Kling- Wait, don't you remember when Jadzia had that initiate? Remember when she had a Trill initiate? I guess you haven't gotten that far. Yeah, okay. Run.
Chancellor Jempok has an office here.
Oh, really? I had no idea. Chancellor Buttlock? Oh my goodness, it's him. Michael, look. General Kern is Worf's brother.
This is Worf's brother.
You have gotten. Is this... Where are you guys? Oh, there you are.
Here is Proconsul Deton's office.
Alright. Oh my. Let's...
This summit may be difficult. While your people will see it.
There are several Alpha Quadrant leaders here for the
Well,
summit.
who's going
Kai Kira
steaming
of
through
Bajor,
this?
Counselor Garrick of Cardassian.
Michael, are you steaming
and
all...
my father, Ferengi Grand
I am
Nagus
doing a
I
video
recommend
and
meeting
you're
with
just
them as well.
ruining it.
Their worlds will be on the front line
Where'd
if
he
the
go?
Hurk launch a full invasion into this quadrant.
It's a station. All stations run in circle. I think. Get out of my way.
I believe the Kai is here, in the Bajoran Temple.
Let's go in the Bajoran Temple. Hey, how's it going? Over here. See? In this. Yeah, you just go down here. You go in there. Hello, Kai. At least you're not Kai Wynn.
Hello there. I suppose Admiral Quinn sent you down here
Kai
to see where
Kira.
Bajor stands. I can tell you we're worried. The Hurk were a few ships away from
Yeah.
ravaging our homeworld, and if the Dominion
I'm
falls,
confused.
they'll be back, and we'll be the first to face them. So, Bajor stands ready. We'll do what we can to stop the Hurk, even if that means joining forces with the Dominion. There's something else I should mention.
I don't
I've
get why is
experienced
Kira doing
visions
this?
recently. A sign from
Oh
the
yeah,
Prophet.
just skip it.
I see a place I've been before, a world beyond the grip of death. It's the home of a former Kai.
I
and
never
it's in the
expected
Dominion.
Kira becoming
I
Kai.
should also mention that I've seen you in this vision as well. I believe we're going to take a journey together soon.
I don't know. I just hope it's better outside.
Now it's so small. Think. Okay.
Where's Grand Nagus?
My father is in my uncle's bar. Hard to believe he used to work there, huh?
Wait, yeah, he's the Grand Nagus.
Are you? Oh yeah.
I was wondering when you'd come along. I'm guessing you're here to talk about the Hurk and what we want to do about them. It's no secret that the Ferengi aren't a military powerhouse like the Klingons. Most of the time, we'd be happy to make a tidy profit from all of this, and as far away
There's
from
someone
it as
so loud.
possible.
I need to.
That changed when the Hurk attacked Ferenginar.
I like said it like 5 times and didn't do anything.
We would have been wiped out without help. And we didn't get it from Starfleet or the Klingons. We got it from the Lukari and the Cardassians. Even a few not cool ships showed up to fight. That showed us that this is everyone's fight, big or small. So we're in. And if the 34th rule of acquisition comes into play, well... It wasn't easy, believe me. I've managed to get the Board of Liquidators with us, for now. Most of them see the potential for incredible profit. Alliance defense contracts can be very lucrative. The rest? Let's just say their self-preservation instincts are strong. They'd rather fight with the Alliance than stand alone. The Hurk have me thinking about adding a new rule of acquisition. If they can't be bought, get ready to fight! Did you have another question?
Okay, that's a good. Can I speak to Ram? Does Ram change?
Wait, what? Speak to...
I mean, Morn. Okay, Morn, he doesn't say anything at all. Morn, how would you really use your advice? Morn looks at, oh, what is the returns it says to? There's actually other things you could say to him. I didn't. Okay. Can I sit? Oh, I can sit in it. I can sit at the bar. Can I buy a drink later? No, Martin sits at this chair, at the first chair. I'm sitting in the second chair. Why are you sitting where Martin sits? Nah, I watched the episode. I'm correct.
Why does it say speak to
Counselor Garrick?
It looks like Counselor Garrick is in his old tailor shop.
Where is? I can't see anything. I need to get there. Where is it? Oh, you're so funny. Michael, where'd you go? I need to really...
Sit over here.
Oh, here it is.
Where?
That's the doctor, the side doctor. I just saw the doctor. Where is good?
I'm gonna talk to.
Hello there.
Oh my goodness.
Take it you're not here to update your ensemble. Though if you'd like a few suggestions, I'd be happy to provide some. In the meantime, let's talk about serious business, shall we? I'm sure you'd like to know Cardassia's position on the Herc problem. It's simple, really. There are many, and
He
one
like
we
makes
should
the
deal with
tons of
swiftly.
facial expressions. Again with my.
Surprised? Don't be. Cardassia was recently attacked by
Yeah.
We'd have fared poorly
Sneeze,
without
I'm
help
sorry.
from our neighbors. Even the Lucari and the Ferengi offered a hand. I trust this lesson isn't lost on you. If we stand alone, we're doomed.
Okay, this used to be your store.
Once upon a time, when I was...
The Alliance
Oh,
has asked
come
a
on, I was
number of
asking him a
special
question, someone
consultants
ended
to
it.
attend the summit.
How do you like it?
I know each of them
Oh.
well, and I can vouch for their knowledge and skill. Even my Uncle Quark. Despite his reputation, his knowledge of the Gamma Quadrant is valuable. Just don't mention Latinum in the discussion, or the value of his information could rise considerably.
I know my... Ugh.
So you know this guy. You know what happened to this?
Something on your mind? I'm not fond of being gaped at like a dumbstruck targ.
Okay.
Own a moon now.
Or what exactly? You do not frighten me, and I can think of a dozen ways to kill you with my bare hands. If you're lucky, I'll use one of the three that are quick and relatively painless. Buzz away now, Globfly. Perhaps you can impress old Martok with your growls. Look now! Can't you see I'm busy? I have many names. At the moment, I am-
Whatever. I'm.
Look now!
Never mind.
Can't you see I'm busy?
Busy. Can you see I'm busy?
Okay, seriously? They could have done a better job of this.
Look at the doctor. So old.
Hello. It's been a while since that business at Korvat, hasn't it? You're looking well. My compliments to your CMO. As you can see, I've been recently recommissioned. I'm doing what I can to get things in order here.
There's a number of refugee groups here on the promenade.
We're still treating casualties, and it looks like we'll be seeing
I
more
can't
soon.
seem to speak to anyone without anybody.
It must be a surprise seeing Karemans here on a Federation
You're
station.
just done with them.
Let that sink in for a
They
minute.
still have that weird
It's
glitch
so
with this
bad
weapon
in the
where it
Dominion that its
glows.
citizens are looking for safe
Like these
haven
parts
with
are supposed to
their former
glow.
Quinn here. The summit will begin soon. I'd like to go over what you've learned.
Hey.
Interesting.
Yes,
Klingon
sir.
and Romulan positions were somewhat predictable. But I'm surprised by the resilience of the Cardassians and Ferengi. I'm also concerned about the Gamma refugee issue. We'll
How
need
do
to
we-
work with the Bajorans to manage the situation here. We should get to the conference room. Report to me there when you arrive.
I'm going to the conference room.
Alright, I wonder if this.
Oh, yes! I'm gonna sit here right where Martok sits.
I watch Deep Space Nine all the time, and still dark.
This is so accurate. Like, the proportions are all the same. It's, like, perfect.
Why are you ordering me around?
Admiral Quinn is he's just an admiral, so okay, General Martok.
Jempak is more of a political creature than he was. Well, when we were both a lot younger. He's not willing to face the truth. There are Klingons who fear the Hurk, hiding behind politics and rules. Grethar waits for their worthless souls.
Okay.
Know this. There are still Klingons who know where their blades belong. We will not dishonor our ancestors and ignore the Hurk. We will fight them to our dying breath in the name of Kahless and the Empire!
Okay.
If I can have everyone's attention.
Ooh.
Thank you. Let's begin the summit. We have a lot to discuss.
It's like the Odo's the only one where I actually understand
Thank you all
why.
for coming.
Why do I feel like there's
By now, you should be aware of our tactical situation. The Dominion, as you know it, is on the verge of collapse. We've withdrawn to our core systems, and the lines are holding, for now. Without your help, the Hurk will win the war of attrition.
What about your outer systems? We're receiving refugees here, from those areas.
We have one fleet left, Admiral. That's hardly enough to defend the entire Dominion.
I'm failing to see how this concerns the Empire.
The recent battle here is a sample of what the Hurk can do.
If you think they'll stop at the wormhole, you're sadly mistaken.
Need I remind you that the Dominion came to your aid in the Iconian War? I seem to recall Klingons placing high value on debts of honor. Or has that changed?
Mind your tongue, changeling! I will not be insulted!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-oo. Oh no, not that. Yeah, if you guys know where I got that from, you should, I don't know, just say something maybe. Oh! Okay, time to fight.
Ops. What's happening?
I don't know, we're being attacked.
It's the Hurk.
Really?
Hurk boarding party. Multiple decks. They've concentrated in the damaged pylon or processing area.
Why is it always in this conference room where people start
I
attacking?
need you to get to that damaged pylon section and lock it down.
I'm on it, Admiral!
Trigger an explosion that could wreck the station.
But I'm still kind of offended that you're telling me what to do, even though I outrank you. He's Admiral, and I'm Fleet Admiral. No, he isn't. Let me see. Okay, accept. It's like Admiral Quinn is always, it says Admiral, that's it. It just says Admiral. Okay, next time. Alright, what do we... Ooh. Oh. We're trying to seal something, I think. Yes. Oh, what is that? What am I holding? Is that the Hurk? What was he eating? What was he eating? I'm just like my facial expression. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is... I'm just like, look at the eye expression. This is like, I'm just like, okay. What? It's just, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my, okay. Should we just leave Richie? We'll just leave him to fight. Alright, alright. Okay, okay. Throwing a bomb. Throwing a bomb. Throwing a bomb. Need to throw a bomb. Throwing a bomb. Oh, I'm dead. Oh my.
Personal shield losing power.
Oh, I'm losing power.
Alright, you guys need to get out of here.
Ouch. Nice. Am I in the right spot? I feel like I'm not in the right spot.
Get out of here.
I'm trying to, I need to go down the stairs. I literally have to go down the stairs. Safety. These rails. Oh my. Where are you? Can I put this out? Can I put this out? Is it dangerous? I guess you can. You just blue highlighted. You know, this is so cool, the way this looks, all of this. They really, wow. I've never,
Bad news. The hangar security shield is on the verge of collapse.
Oh, really?
If it drops, you'll get pulled out into space. So let's make sure that doesn't happen. You need to stabilize the power relays and recalibrate the shields. There are consoles near your position you can use to do this.
Acknowledge, Captain. Alright, let's do something like over here. Wait, it's telling me to be here, but I might get into space. Oh, I have to go up there? Yeah, okay, I need to get up there. Like, what is this? Hurt babies? Hurt babies. Hurt babies have babies which they use to fight. Okay. Alright. Got that glowing particle thing done. Hi.
Nice work, but it's not over yet.
Ugh.
The Herc have moved into the ore processing area above your position. There's a lot of unstable uridium ore in there. If they damage it, it could ignite and set off a chain reaction that could destroy the pylon. You'll need to make your way up there to secure the area and restart the safety systems there.
Understood. I have to go all the way up there. Ah, goodness.
Looks like the access system in this section was reset. You'll need to rotate the central column and extend the bridges in order to reach the next section.
Sounds like a lot. I thought we were gonna be beamed out and like fight. I was really disappointed. No. Rotate pillar. What does that do? Okay. I'm just figuring out what's going on. Yeah. I'm sorry. I was trying to see if I could do helping things. Yeah, we're not very athletic. So oh my babies. Babies. What are they then? Wait. What are attendants? Yeah, but what does that mean, attendance? I mean.
Oh my goodness,
What the dark? Come on. Retract walkways.
Michael, something just stabbed me and
I just retracted the walkways.
just threw a knife at me. Stuck at me. Yeah, do that.
Don't we need to move them up here? We need to move him up. Do I need to go down there to go move it up? I think I need to move it up. Alright, I'm gonna have to be I have to abandon my station. Well, you're able to rotate it again, right? There's a thing up there. Okay, let me up there? Just a second, I need to retract them. I'm doing it for you guys. No, there's a thing up there. Yeah, up there. Okay, Richie's just trotting by me. Okay, I have circles here. Up there. Alright, yeah. Oh my goodness. I'm up here now. Can I actually jump off? Yeah, I could jump. Alright, now what? I need to do my brightness. This is like maybe too dark. I don't know, who cares?
I can't get out.
Oh boy. How do we get out? We have to go through ore processing? That's what it said. Storm. Okay, frenzy. What's the frenzy part?
Okay, can someone let me go?
Wait, do we have to do something down there? Like all the way down there? Because I don't see anything up here. Through this thing. Is there something down there? Wait. No, it's just this green thing. Section 4. We need to get to section 4. Somehow we're supposed to get through it. Alright, nothing else is glowing.
Am I supposed to jump or something? Okay. Alright, I'm down here now.
Is the glowing thing down here? Are we sure it's up there?
I'm gonna fool around with your contraption. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, yeah. Okay, Richie's just gonna sit there now with baby corpse around. I went all the way down here if that does anything. What do you do? Did we break something? All we can do is retract and extend right now. You have to retract it, retract them as soon as I get up there. Let me see this mission.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. It almost looks a bit too much.
Alright, okay, so we need to do frenzy. What is frenzy? There's a thing that says frenzy. Well, yeah. So, but we need to get up there. I'm retracting it. Now what? It's already like track pathways. That's just wonderful. Close them. I want to be in here when you close them. Alright. I think that's like this episode, so maybe I can make it part 2 or something. Well, no one's gonna watch a 2-hour one. Well, I'm not that popular. I'm just gonna make it this is a 2-parter, okay? We'll be back when we figure it out. When you watch the next episode, we would have had this all figured out, okay? So, bye, and maybe subscribe if you want to, like, and all that wonderful stuff, and goodbye.